How to advertise on Facebook with Meta Business. Are you ready to take your business's online presence to the next level and reach a broader audience? Advertising on Facebook through Meta Business is one of the most effective ways to do just that. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to launch your Facebook ad campaigns smoothly and with confidence. Let's start by setting up your Meta Business account. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your business across both Facebook and Instagram. Go to the Meta Business website and create an account if you don't already have one. You'll also need a Facebook page for your business, since it will be linked to your Meta account for advertising purposes. Before we go any further, if this video is helping you so far, take a moment to like it and subscribe. And let us know in the comments from which city you're watching. We love seeing where our community is tuning in from. Next, define your advertising objectives. Are you trying to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or boost product sales? Getting clear on your goals helps you choose the right strategy and format for your ads, whether it's videos, images, or a carousel of products. Once your goals are clear, you can begin building your actual ad. Facebook gives you a variety of formats to choose from: photo, video, carousel, slideshow, and more. Pick the one that best showcases your product or service. Video works great for storytelling or demonstrations, while carousel ads are perfect for highlighting several features or products at once. Now it's time to design compelling ad creatives. Use eye-catching visuals, engaging video, and copy that's short, clear, and to the point. Everything should reflect your brand and speak directly to your audience. And if you're not sure what works best, use Facebook's A/B testing tools to compare different versions of your ad and see which performs better. Targeting your audience is a key part of success. With Meta Business, you can get highly specific. Target people based on interests, demographics, behaviors, and even past engagement. You can also upload a customer list or create a lookalike audience to reach people who are similar to your best customers. After that, it's time to set your budget and schedule. Decide how much you want to spend and how long your campaign will run. Facebook makes this flexible. You can choose a daily budget or a total campaign budget depending on your goals and resources. Once your ad is up and running, you'll want to monitor its performance. Meta Business gives you detailed analytics so you can track clicks, engagement, and conversions. Use this data to make smart adjustments, optimize your ad strategy, and get better results with every campaign. One final reminder: make sure your ads follow Facebook's advertising policies. This helps avoid interruptions and ensures a positive experience for both your audience and your business. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to running successful Facebook ad campaigns using Meta Business, reaching the right people at the right time with the right message. If this guide was helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips on growing your business online. Thanks for watching.